Hey folks, and welcome back to Glenn and Adrian's Rock Talk. That's Adrian.
And that's Glenn.
Special thank you to all returning subscribers. We appreciate you. So today we're going to take a look at The Who. We've done The Who a few times in the past, but we've never done this particular song. And I don't think we've done anything from this particular concert either. We're going to look at We're Not Going to Take It, really the last couple of songs from the Isle of Wight, 1970. Now that's kind of a famous concert for them. I bought a double CD set back in the 90s. It's one of those, other than Live at Leeds, that I've probably heard the most. But I haven't really taken a good look at the footage yet. I have the DVD. I haven't watched the DVD. So I figured, well, okay, since that's the case, this is probably the time to go ahead and watch it. Now, Adrian, can I assume you haven't seen this footage that we're going to look at today?
No, I also have the DVD, but I never really got around to sitting through the whole thing in one sitting.
So you don't think you saw this part? Like, we're not going to take it part?
I don't remember anything about seeing this part of it, no.
All right.
Mainly I remember the first few songs.
This is silly. How can we both have it and not haven't seen it yet? That's what happens, especially back when we would buy DVDs, go back about 15, 20 years, and that was more the standard than streaming. And, you'd buy them and then, whoops, oh, gee, I haven't watched that whole Ronnie James Dio yet, or what have you, So this is the time, right? Adrian, how about the actual performance? How well do you know that? Have you heard Isle of Wight 1970? Would you recognize it?
I haven't seen much of it, to tell you the truth. I don't think I've heard it.
Well, this was the middle of the Tommy tour. Of course, it's August, I think, of 1970, and a huge crowd at this particular venue, but they were playing this show all the time through 69 and 70. All right, well, why don't we take a look at this?
Welcome to the camp. I guess you all know why we're here. My name is Tommy, and I became aware this year. If you want to follow me, you've got to play pinball and put in your earplugs, put on your eye shades, you know where to put the car. Hey, you getting drunk? So sorry, I got you, sus. Hey, you smoking Mother Nature? This is a bust. Hey, hung up, oh, Mr. Normal, don't try to gain my trust. 'Cause you ain't gonna follow me any of those ways, although you think you must. We're not gonna take it. 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 Never did, never will. We're not gonna take it. Gonna break it, gonna shake it. Let's forget it, better still. We forsake you, gonna rape you, let's forget you, better still. See me, feel me, touch me, heal me, see me, feel me, touch me, heal me.
was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I have to say that even though the ending part of the song especially is pretty repetitive, you can still drag it out forever and get an awesome jam out of it.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what they did.
Yeah. Well, the audience was totally into it, and that makes a huge difference.
Oh, yeah.
You know? Yeah. I believe they just kept going because the audience was feeding on it. They were feeding on each other. Yeah, that was really, really cool.
You could drag that out forever. and people would still be rocking to it maybe a couple hours later or something.
Yeah, it's probably a good concert closer in many cases.
Oh, yeah.
But certainly not in this gig. But
John Entwistle's skeleton suit.
yeah, and he only got a little brief look. I mean, a lot of that was the crowd shots, which was interesting. I was under the impression it was more kind of the band, and it almost felt more guerrilla film like. I did see some guy there near in the front row with a Super 8, very clear to see. He's sitting there like this. Yeah, so I knew the music, but I'd never seen them actually doing it before. I promise, Scout's honor, even though I wasn't a Scout, you were, but I wasn't.
For a short time.
I will watch this DVD. So folks, first of all, if you were at that show, please let us know about that. I'd love to hear about it. Or if you saw anything that The Who was doing back in that time period, or, give or take a few years, frankly, tell us about any time you saw The Who, because we'd be interested, even if it was their latest tour. I have their latest album. I think it's pretty good. I don't think it got quite enough attention. I think there are a lot of good songs on it. So I thought it was a great way to go out because it's looking like it'll be their last album. In any case, yeah, I thought that was incredible. A really good performance. I loved the avalanche of drums that Keith Moon was supplying. He's clearly at the top of his game at this point. Everybody is. This is like the perfect time to have seen The Who, it would seem to me. So really cool. All right, folks. So if you have any suggestions for us for future Who episodes, please leave them below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoyed our presentation, please subscribe. All right. Thanks very much for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right. Take care, folks.
See you all later.